this video, formation and uses of Shadang Paniya will be discussed. This is a very healthy drink mentioned in Ayurvedic text that is beneficial in treating diseases like fever and thirst. Now, formation of Shadang Paniya will be discussed further. Reference for this video is taken from Charak Samhita, Mushta Karpat Ushir Chandan Udicche Nagare. An important note. Vrid Madhav Vamsen Adi Acharya mentioned to use dhania in place of shunthi, while Bhav Prakash mentioned to use Vraksha and Amla in place of shunthi and mushta. Required ingredients: mushta, karpat that is thick papda, ushir that is khas, chandan, udiccha that is sugandh bala, nagar that is shunthi. According to Acharya Charak, take all the herbs in equal quantity, make a coarse powder of it, add all the herbs with 64 parts of water and boil it until it reduces to half. But according to Bhav Prakasha, take all the herbs equally, prepare a coarse powder of it and then add herbs in 4 parts of water. Boil it till the liquid reduces to half and then filter it. This slideshow depicts the list of all the ingredients used to prepare this healthy drink. This drink is also beneficial in increasing immunity of people. In this section, filtration process is also shown further. This is considered as an essential step so that no residue will be left in the final drink. Now, uses of Shadang Paniya will be discussed further. Shet Shetam Jalam Dhatat Pipasa Jwar Shante. This depicts that diseases like Pipasa, Pitta Jwar and Daha Jwar can be cured properly with this drink. This drink can be taken according to the disease, but approximately 20 ml dose can be taken at a single time. So, this is the formation and uses of Shadang Paniya. This drink can be taken by any person irrespective of their age and gender. Take this drink after it cools down and enjoy all the health benefits. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.